At the age of 27, you ascended the throne as king. The kingdom you inherited was fragmented, with nobles ruling independently, and the monarchy reduced to a mere figurehead. Determined to reverse this decline, you resolved to change everything. Upon ascending the throne, you were immediately faced with numerous challenges. As the sixth king of the Capetian dynasty, you held little real power and lacked political experience. The lords only obeyed their own leaders and did not take the young you seriously. Around Paris, robber barons acted with impunity, robbing travelers and oppressing the common people. The people were in misery, and discontent was widespread. However, you were not intimidated by these challenges, but instead took immediate action. You knew that only by reclaiming the power that had been divided among the nobles could you truly control the country. Thus, you personally led several campaigns, defeating those rebellious nobles one by one. In the Battle of Montlhéry, you led the charge, personally leading your troops to crush the rebels of the Count of Montlhéry, who had entrenched themselves in the southern suburbs of Paris. This victory established your authority and struck fear into the hearts of other nobles. In the following years, you launched several more campaigns, expanding the royal domain. The once scattered and difficult-to-control fiefs were gradually brought under direct royal control. By redistributing and confiscating the lands of rebels, you broke the alliances among the nobles and weakened their power. Gradually, even those once proud lords had to bow down to you. At the same time, you had to guard against the watchful eyes of the English king. They had long coveted the Duchy of Normandy and invaded France multiple times. In the Battle of Brémule, you, still young, led your army to defeat the English forces, capturing hundreds of knights. For over a decade after this, King Henry I of England dared not make any more reckless moves. You defended your lands and earned widespread respect. But your troubles were far from over. The Holy Roman Emperor Henry V also had ambitions for French territory. He invaded several times, even reaching Reims and nearly destroying the birthplace of the royal family. At a critical moment, you allied with the Pope, using the power of the Church to strike at your opponent. Under your maneuvering, Henry V was excommunicated by the Pope, losing the support of the German nobles. Eventually, he was forced to reconcile with you and abandon his ambitions in France. As the years passed, by the time you were in your 40s, you had become significantly overweight and found it increasingly difficult to lead charges on the battlefield. However, your determination did not waver. Instead, you focused on political reforms and strengthening governance. You appointed Suger, known for his clear administration, as chancellor to reform the court and eliminate corrupt officials. You also worked to strengthen central authority, weakening the power of local lords. During your reign, you vigorously supported urban development, granting cities autonomy and promoting the prosperity of commerce and industry. Under your governance, Paris quickly rose to become the political, economic, and cultural center of France. Many famous churches and monasteries were built during this time, becoming symbols of French civilization. At the age of 55, you passed away in Saint-Pierre-les-Namur. Although you did not unify the entire realm, you became one of the most outstanding monarchs of the Capetian dynasty. During your 29-year reign, you made lasting contributions to strengthening royal power and consolidating national unity. The powerful lords who once threatened royal authority were defeated one by one, the royal domain was tripled, and royal power reached unprecedented heights. You laid a solid foundation for the future strength of France. Who are you? You are Louis VI, nicknamed Louis the Fat, and your life was dedicated to the struggle for royal power and the nation. Facing the dual crises of foreign invasion and internal division, you were not intimidated. Instead, with strong will and brilliant strategy, you repeatedly turned danger into safety. You personally led armies into battle, earning respect through strength. You reformed the administration and politics, creating a new era with your wisdom. In a time of turmoil, you stepped forward and ushered in a new era for France.